Hi everyone, I'm Francis Jail English from Shamshabad. Today in study skills we shall discuss vocabulary, the importance of vocabulary. When we try to read the newspaper or try to listen to English news, we come across many new words which are not familiar to us. This indicates that we need to improve our vocabulary. By improving our vocabulary, what advantages we have? Our thinking sharpens and our way of speaking improves, and our language skills also will improve, and we can easily express our thoughts, and we can be confident enough when we speak English. Now, let us see how well we can use the dictionary and what are the features of good dictionary. There are almost 9 to 10 features. We shall go through one by one. First one, alphabetical order. Words are arranged in alphabetical order. That is, in any dictionary, words are arranged in alphabetical order, starting from A till Z. That means the words are arranged in alphabetical order means all the words with A are coming first and B then C. It continues till Z. So for example, if you want to know the word dictionary, instead of searching from beginning, you can directly go to D. And if you want to know the word transformation, you can directly go to T and search there for the word that you wanted. So that is the advantage of the dictionary. And the second point, we have spelling. A dictionary gives spelling various words. Whichever word you want, you can search for the spelling of the word in the dictionary. The third point, we have pronunciation. A dictionary helps us to pronounce the words correctly. That means the pronunciation of the word is particularly mainly depends on phonetic symbols. This helps us to pronounce the word correctly without mistakes. Okay, then we have word stress. A dictionary helps us to identify the stressed syllable. That is, the words are divided into syllables, and when we try to pronounce the word, we need to stress some words, and this dictionary will help us where to stress the word, where to use high tone when we pronounce the word. That helps us to pronounce the word correctly. Then we have countable and uncountable nouns. Dictionary also helps us to identify whether the noun is countable or uncountable with the symbols C and U. That means countable nouns. Say for example, we have books, pens, tables. These are all countable and the symbol C is used over there. And we have sugar, rice, oil. These are uncountable nouns. U is used there to identify that that particular noun is uncountable. Then we have synonyms. A dictionary helps us to find out the same meaning of the word that we are searching. That means here we are searching for a particular word and that dictionary gives us the meaning different meanings of that particular word. Say for example, we want to search other meanings for the word happy. Happy means we get the words like joyful, then you can cheerful, you can get, okay, joyful you can get, merry you can get, elated. So like that there are different meanings are given in the dictionary. Then antonyms. A dictionary helps us to find out the opposite meaning of the word. Opposite meaning of the word. Say for example, if you are taking the word beautiful and immediately it gives, if you want the opposite of that, ugly, immediately you will get the opposite meaning of the word from the dictionary. And if you take the word happy and you get the word sad, young, old, like that for different words you get different opposite words from the dictionary. Then collocations. A collocation is a group of words that usually go together. Say for example, the words that are used together, collocations are nothing but a few words which are used together to get a correct meaning. Say for example, if you're taking, we say heavy traffic, we don't say big traffic, we say heavy snow, and we don't say big snow. Okay, heavy rain, but not a big rain. The words which are going together should be used as they appear, like heavy rain, heavy snow, heavy traffic, like that. Then we have prefixes and suffixes. They help us to improve our vocabulary. We were talking about the vocabulary, how we can improve our vocabulary. We can improve our vocabulary in different ways. We have already studied and these prefixes or suffixes will help us to improve our vocabulary. How? Prefix means the letters or the words added before the main word. Suffix means words which are added after the main word. Say for example, finals. We use the prefix semi, semi-finals. Wind, rewind. Like that we use prefixes. And we also use suffixes like exam, examination, employ, employment. Like that we use suffixes. Prefixes and suffixes help us to improve our vocabulary. Then one word substitutes. We can master over our vocabulary by learning one word substitutes. One word substitutes mainly help us to speak with a full meaning. Say agenda. Agenda is a single word and the meaning of it is very big. A list of things to be discussed at a meeting. Same just like that. Ambidextrous. Ambidextrous means able to use both hands equally well. So like that we have one word substitutes, and apart from, we can even improve our vocabulary with idioms and phrases. So we can try our best to improve our vocabulary with the help of all these methods. Hope you will try your best to utilize the dictionary, utilize the chances to improve your vocabulary, thereby you improve your fluency in English. Thank you.